It is a warm welcome to the last month of the year. I am Melissa Enoch, and here at the FMDQ studios in Lagos. All right, let's tee off with your news now. FMDQ Group, in collaboration with the Financial Center for Sustainability Lagos, Financial Sector Deepening Africa, and Chapel Hill Denham, has formed a strategic partnership with Kautani International to boost Nigeria's sustainable finance market and support environmental projects. The partnership, signed on November 24, 2025 in Lagos, aims to accelerate market-based financing for circular economy, sustainable industrial growth, and waste management initiatives. An innovative financing product will expand access to sustainable funding for Kautani, a leading plastics recycling firm, marking the first corporate plastic and carbon-linked debt instrument in Africa. At the just concluded African Securities Exchanges Association conference in Kigali, Rwanda's Securities Exchange officially launched the multi-currency denominated securities market known as the MDS, a platform that will allow qualified issuers and investors to raise long-term financing in hard currency. Here are excerpts.
I'm proudly happy to announce that we are officially launching the multi-currency denominated securities market, which is going to have an acronym of MDS. So please, potential issuers, investors, be aware the market is ready now. There are not that many countries on the continent today who are having that service. So, of course, conditions apply, eligibility criteria on both sides. The central bank wouldn't be happy if we want to dollarize the economy. That's not the purpose.
In South Africa, Tullow Oil has launched a major board reset as it seeks to refinance its debt, appointing Rod Gerto as chair to replace Putuma Nleko. 3 independent directors have exited immediately, cutting the board to 4 members and reducing costs. The shakeup comes as Tullow works to restructure its capital base amid rising debt and delayed payments from Ghana. The new board includes Gerto, Rebecca Wiles, CEO Ian Perks, and CFO Richard Miller. In other news, FG Gold has achieved financial close and drawn the first tranche of $330 million senior debt financing from AFC and Afrexim Bank for its Boamahoun Gold project in Sierra Leone. The funding, supported by capital from Trafigura Group, completes the financing package for construction and development, bringing total investment by African DFIs to $430 million, including Afrexim Bank's $75 million contribution. The deal secures the full development pathway for Sierra Leone's flagship commercial gold mine, allowing FG Gold to accelerate infrastructure works and move toward its first gold pour.
Let's now take a look at the first trading session of the month, starting off with the equities as usual. The Nigerian Stock Exchange fell 0.22%, while the BROVM advanced 2.19% to 353.47. The Nairobi Securities Exchange rose 0.22% to 181.45. In South Africa, the Johannesburg Stock Exchange gained 0.53%, as well as the Zimbabwe Stock Exchange by 0.60%. And in North Africa, the EGX 30 closed on the negative, down 0.15%. Finally, 2 metals prices. Gold added 0.90% to $4,293.30. Copper rose 1.30% to $5.34, and platinum increased 1.12%. Aluminium inched up 0.35%, while iron ore gained 0.20% as at 13:47 GMT.
Thank you for those market updates, Grace. And that's it on today's edition of Money Moves. From all of us here at the FMDQ studios, we say thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.